So what we have here today is an Emerson Designer Series, otherwise known as the Plastic Emerson. This one is a 36-inch model. The date on the K55 brings it to about 1980, or November of 1980, so this is a relatively early one. The whole thing about plastic Emersons is, well, they're plastic. Canopy's plastic, motor housing's plastic, blades are plastic, switch housing, plastic, metal downrod, hub, motor, obviously. Yeah, they're relatively good for outdoor locations, even though they weren't necessarily rated for such installations. But anyway, like I said, this is a 36-inch model. Let's see what it does. Notice also the stubby little pull chain. Yeah, let's start on low. Yeah, the 36-inch models are 2-speed. The fan is non-reversible. Par for the course for early K55 Emersons, I guess. The low speed on this really is more akin to a medium on any other fan. At some point I may modify this fan, give it 3 speeds by adding a capacitor to the low, and then give it a 3-speed pull chain, and yeah, so. I figure these fans are more of a functional thing rather than aesthetic, so I guess they didn't. I guess the fast low didn't really concern them too much. Now let's go to high. It flies on high, as you would expect from a 36-inch fan, so. Honestly, I would say this thing, you know, K55 36-inch fan is comparable to a 36-inch blender of the same vintage. Blade pitch is the same, 13 degrees for 36 and 42-inch fans. Actually, 13 degrees for all sizes for residential use. The 52-inch blender's at 15-degree pitch. I mean, you would figure, give the smaller fan a steeper pitch. Nope. And this silly notion lasted well into the 2000s with their Northwind series. Anyway, now let's see what it does to coast down. Can't see it from this angle, but the motor housing has a big crack in it, which I will probably end up gluing at some point or another. But it's only a cosmetic thing. It does not affect functionality whatsoever. I would say a 36-inch plastic Emerson like this is something I've been wanting for a little while, but wasn't going to go out of my way to find it. Another thing I failed to mention, another early aspect of this fan is the blade irons. They're the thicker stamped steel. They're the thicker stamped steel instead of the more cheapened, thinner gauge steel. These are the ones used on the heat fans. Yep. Blade pitch is 13. Yep. And there you have it, a 36-inch Emerson Designer.